Hey guys, what's going on? Alex here. Welcome back to another video. Now we got some really exciting news for this video because Sam Mobile just dropped an article a few days ago stating that One UI 6.0 beta is coming to our Galaxy devices on the third week of July. So that's just about a month away, and this is really exciting. It's just around the corner. Now this date does make sense because if we look at the Android developer website, you can see that Android 14 by Google is in platform stability. It reached platform stability in July. It's on beta 3, and the final release of Android 14 is scheduled for around August. So just about a month away, and of course One UI beta 6.0 is gonna follow closely after that. And on top of that, Samsung is rumored to have their Samsung Unpacked event somewhere around that time at the end of July, maybe closer to August. So we could even get an announcement right there and then about the One UI 6.0 beta. Now, as far as what devices are going to be eligible for the One UI 6.0 update, I'll leave a link to this article in the description below so you guys can check it out. But if we scroll down here, you can see here are all of the devices that are going to get the update. So when it comes to the S lineup, obviously we're going to get the S23. They're going to be the very first phone to receive the update. So if you're on the latest S23 Ultra, S23 Plus, or S23, you're going to get the update first. And you can see if you have the Galaxy S22 or S21 lineup, you will be eligible for the One UI 6.0 update as well. Unfortunately, if you have an S20 or an S10 or anything older than the S21, you will not be receiving the update. And if we look at the Z series, you can see that the Fold 4 and 3 as well as the Flip 4 and Flip 3 will be eligible for these devices. Obviously, during this event, the Fold 5 and Flip 5 will be dropping, so those will of course be eligible for the update as well. And then if you have an A series phone, these are all of the phones that will be eligible for One UI 6.0, the M series, and of course the F series, and then we got the X cover and the tablet series right there. So these are all the devices getting the update. Again, I'll leave a link to this article in the description below so you can check it out and see if your phone is eligible. Now, as far as actually enrolling your phone in the beta program, what you're going to want to do is go to your phone and then search for the Samsung Members application. Now, most Galaxy phones should already have this installed on their phone, but if you don't have it, just go to your Galaxy store and then search for Samsung Members and download it on your phone. Then when you open it up, you'll be greeted with this page here, and you'll see there's all these banners up here. And what you're going to want to look for is a banner that says something about the One UI beta program. Now, it's not here right now because the beta hasn't dropped yet, but just keep an eye out on this or keep an eye out on the news. And as soon as you see that the beta dropped, it will be in here. You can tap on it and then enroll your phone in the beta program. And then once your phone is enrolled, just give it a few minutes. And what you need to do is go to your phone settings, scroll down to software update, and then in here, go to download and install, and you should have a new update that you should be able to download for your phone, which will be the beta profile. Now, before you do download the beta profile on your phone, just keep in mind that it is a beta, okay? It's not the official release of One UI 6.0. So there are going to be a few bugs or glitches that you're going to experience. And if you don't want to, run into any issues on your phone, maybe take a backup of your phone before you download the beta, or just wait for the official release later in the year. But I'll definitely be installing the beta as soon as it drops. So if you guys want to see all of the new features and changes coming in One UI 6.0, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'll be dropping lots of videos in the coming weeks. But that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for future videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.